Because it's okay para go life, para na 13 years. Bara ke na le 13 years. And the photo e ba re mpurung re ke se ka inyaka. Gorot managa di je maphorisa mo leng go teng sorry for go ruile gorot managa. Mara tse dintsi thuso to yena a re beao. Ke tle life ka tshilo guys, la mpona ke tle music. Ba bena ne ke khutile music ke se ira lotse cause magorot mana ba ropa. Mara no re lo re ka lokisa.
All batho they want to see me down because of I'm the guy. I've made this shit happen.
Too short. Kopelen tshwarele mafoetu. E forkile ke le ruile jo. Ke tshepiste le dithunya. Ene di teng ka. Mara ya ke sa le tuntsha lo. Angere le tsena le mprenka go Nigeria. Le baka no.
Hello, Msanje, it's a Gossip Girl. This is an updated statement that was posted this morning by Tabogojima Sheru. We would like to begin by extending our heartfelt gratitude to the people of South Africa, and in particular to Tebogo's dedicated fans, for the overwhelming outpouring of love, concern, and support you have shown over the past few months. Your continuous encouragement and thoughtful messages have meant a great deal to Tebogo and the entire team. At this time, Tebogo will be taking a temporary break from all social media platforms. We kindly ask that the public keep him in their thoughts and prayers during this period. Additionally, please note that Tebogo will not be participating in any performances, public appearances, or professional engagement until further notice. We sincerely thank everyone for their patience, understanding, and continued support. Updates regarding Tebogo's return will be shared through official channels in due course. Thank you, Tebogo's family. Sometimes this is the live that Tebogo did on Thursday. All I can say, like watching the live video, Tebogo Ashap are so fully 100%. But I like the fact that he is acknowledging his actions and he's taking accountability. He's apologizing. And yeah, so I don't want to take words out of his mouth. I just want you guys just to listen to him, and then I'll be back with my commentary.
Plus ba ruma ga ke sa luna ke. Ba tshele twali bote. Number 10. Le mo nyago ta ke di ke mo life. Angere ba ruma ga ke sa luna ke nyako le ba ntse ke sa luna ka ne. E jole twali. pheta taelo tlelela tse bo bone mfana
ba re dintsang nja ololo
plakada
plakada botatla go
o sompethelele twadi bophelo bo tla pele mone sompethelele twadi le twadi tša la re bona le twadi ke le betla diphote wa nyako kerang ka mare rumo aka 2000 o mongwe le mongwe 2000 ya bota bona ke dirile ko wena after moriri ka e tloela ya gola ka bate bodimashimo ke jipao ke sekokoro tlho yaka ke sekokoro e tswa ke nyako bona moriri a ba tlang kgetho go kgetse motho sa ba utlwa ba se ba ka nna ba tla o senya itsela ke museum ka mo ditleng le tlo patela o tla museum scary room ke kamo ke go fileng ke kamo ke bo file ka mo ke nyako tlisang batho ba ne ba nyako se ke maemo ke kamo bote ke nyako bona moriri le twadi bote bo le twadi ka o shuka performa ko vale papa khale room ya ka ke sa lula se ke kerela meriri ko yone betsa nkgetho go kgethe jo ke ka o san re na le keke mfana ka ro performa to short kopele ntshwarele mafoetu ke le ruile jo ke le tshepiste le dithunya ene di teng ka mara ya ke sa le thuntsha lone a ke re le tsenele mprenka ko Nigeria lebaka no re ntho wane ke nyaka letwadi fela
o na le yona nkgetha ke kgetha a no tata
le tengwe le nngwe jo a mapiano music ke waka mona any music ke waka le etsa moo le go letsa pina tsa go Mozambique a ke na le pina go Mozambique.
Mzansi, the live video that I just played, it was either published on Thursday or Friday afternoon, and then that statement that I read in the beginning, it was published on Saturday morning. So if you were listening to Tebogo Mashego attentively on the video that I just played, he is saying, go perform, go val on Saturday, so nkote miriri cut off my hair. So now the family is saying on that statement, please note that Tebogo will not be participating in any performances, public appearance, or professional engagements until further notice. That clearly shows that Tebogo Mashego are so be right. Spiritually, mentally, emotionally, physically, yeah, you can tell what he still takes care of himself. He looks good, he looks clean, you know, but I don't think Usechali stable as so tea. Tebogo Mashego is in a recovery phase, so cutting your hair becomes more than just a new look. It's a symbol of release. You are shading off pain, old energy, past the relationship, and everything that has dimmed your light. It's like saying, I'm done holding on to what broke me. I'm ready to meet myself again. Sometimes people do not understand it. They'll think that you're going through a phase of losing yourself, but the truth is, you're finding yourself. When the scissors touch your hair or mochino ola, something spiritually shifts. You feel lighter, freer, and more in tune with who you really are. Mzansi Too Short and Tebogo's DJ were given a right of response on a certain podcast, so I just took a snippet so that you guys can just hear both sides of the story of what happened in Nigeria. At the end of the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, bye-bye.
What happened in Nigeria?
So Shuguti management, so Babi Entertainment. Ne? I went there last year. and then after bathi bafunela inye artist ngabagayo Alpha Cats, and then after bathi bafunela inye artist I gave them MJ, and then kule yamanje le yaka Chimashiko bebangibhuka nami like bangifuna ngithola, but then if you can come pull up with like one artist, that's fine also. Okay, ngacabanga okay ngabanga yazini ngoba le ntwana yami le yakhala ukuthi ayikayi kude kangaka and isafuna uku-explore feel. I was like, okay, let me just take him. Bese ngambiza untwana feel, but before Sivaya they had like a meeting the management yakhe for ama contract and all that, yangithola ukuthi sazi ukuthi ufuna ukukhafwa malini when we come back, yangithola sharp, and then it happened that way. Sasuka vele sa Nigeria feel. So masifika Nigeria macala endleleni abo endleleni yeah emoyeni endleleni yasemoyeni like inkulumo zakhe man, like ushangela inkulumo lezi ezingahloniphi zokudelela yeah uyachoma ngithola. So like bekana lezo inkulumo lezo nani ngithola, but me dog, you see me one thing about me and I'm proud of myself, I'm so fucking humble and kind yabo
blind nje
yeah ngithola sharp ngamgayi leyo chance yakhe ngithi isikhathi sakhe sokuthi flex.
Okay.
I gave him the time. I was like, boy, just take the time, it's yours.
Yeah.
But then also, mina also, being catch, I was chest trapping, being pataka.
was chestile izinto
Bekadelela kanjani?
Like inkulumo man.
makathi
Like
sitshele
yabo mangizothi kuye,
angithi abantu bakenza umuntu omubi
Yeah.
manje ngifuna uclear igama lakho.
If I'm gonna say
so
to him-
makathini uMashego kuwe
if I'm gonna say to him, Poisons, there's a gig here in Jozi. They're gonna give you 20,000. Ejo two shots. Naki rwaga mameya what mina ngithuka mameya ngeke ungitshele what ngiyathola so ngiyayibona energy yakhe ukuthi already fucked up.
Yeah.
Sharp sifike la masifika la okay sihlale 3-4 days nyana yangibaba kwangikwatisa ngokuthini yabo ntanga ishi nesilungu yabo mase airport khona le obeka khona ama suitcase nani besizihambele bayibiza ngani konje yeah they abantu like abanye
check-in
no not that one, this one on the other side like last walk khona bese labantu abangakhona ukuwalka ngamakuzi
Yeah, we see it, yeah.
So me I'm like to him, Poisons hlala phansi shay content nyane yokuhlala ngibaba avathini kimi ethu short wena ucabanga ukuthi ngahlala phansi ngebhuku le 8,000 ungukuthi wena ugcoke iPlayboy ibhuku le 250
unama two shots
Wait,
Arabian
is that him word for word?
two shots Arabian
Word for word.
yeah
Yo,
just think in front of people ne
yo,
siceda ukuland okay ngayithathela phansi azange ngimtshele next
yo.
ngathula ngathi tu yonke into yabashapa safika vele ku apartment sabloma yonke into sharp I think 3 days after saya ku music video so uma siya ku music video nami senginale ngcondo ukuthi wena dala uzenze superstar phambi kwami namhlanje ku video yami ngibamba ku video yami singena ku Vitlas lo mfana lo yabona
you know when a black person says hey just know it's about to go down
le yokubamba kanje konje bayibizana
yeah
le yokuhlala nje uyame kanje usadlula so man ohlala ngathi ujwayela isiyaya wena endoda lengena entonam Dona yami langabuza udestroy uzokutshela endoda bengirelexile nto ingena kanje lapho ngiyasho ngenhliziyo ukuthi leso sikhathi ngiyakuplaka nokuplaka uyangiphaphela ayini
papa
mama
in that situation
no I'm not your papa
you papa
abe kangidelele ngimtshele ngithi ntwana wena lo ekuthanga khona uwe ngathi uyacala ukugibela iVitlas ngiyathola mina uHotman Phoro wangijoyeza iVitlas ongachesa mfethu
ezithu macala
uyangithola sharp hayi ngimyeke fele se music video ni shoot so cause lento bengichestile I don't wanna lie abole makathi ohlala ngathi ukuthi yayi ngeke ngayichesta dog sema sengiba tipsing yana ngabalanda file ngathi mfana I didn't like what you did adathu short mfana skisa ngathi ayina flow aphuma kuyo sesiyasuka manje si studio because after I shoot I had a studio siyasuka si studio khona la eNigeria masifika studio kulogos masifika studio sharp mangifika like yazi ngizitshelani because bengisachestile ngithi lo wenza ngathi uyazi ngiyazi ukuthi most bayambhalela ngibaba awuthi ngicambalale ngibona ukuthi uyocela abantu ukuthi ambhalele and for sure too short vele makafika esofeni ki where's boy too short yakangitshela straight too short ngahlo record mfana ngiyambheka mfana mele too short xa uhle record angeke ngasukuma ngokumtshela ntoni uyaphapha wena azange abafetha ngifuna ukucamba mamtshela wena uyaphapha wena bongithuka manje sofuna ngibhalele manje yabo ukuthi uyaphapha ngamtshela ngathi mina ngizokubulala ngecatalogue
Yo.
one hit wonder
Yo. Wait.
yangibamba no me I said that guys that's the only thing ngiyenze waba pissed off
Oh, that's the altercation you guys
yes
had.
so that's the first day gliwa vele so
Nilwe
and then-
first day.
no I'm saying the into yokuqala ekuyenzeka
Oh, misegiyesho nilwe first day.
so mayithatha ukuyenzeka loo nto mina ngimbona ukuthi uyokhala ngaphandle sala ngiyafanele ngikhona sengitshelwa umfethu ukuthi hayi man kuzobe kudumbile bekafuna ukukhala yangibamba so endleleni ngiyazicabanga yeah on my way to our apartment there in Nigeria I'm thinking with sharp ngimesapile feeling ngomtshelela izinto engimtshele zona I mean I'm older than him I wasn't supposed to speak like that yangithola sharp I go to him the next day I'm like Poisons after what I said sorry cela ungixolele yangithola he's like alright no flop Poisons me I'm game because the next day we had 2 gigs Abuja so you know from Lagos to go to Abuja you have to fly from Lagos to Abuja you have to fly sharp kuba indaba zokuthini oh same day must start ukufika after
Was it
market
before or after bakubhayile Timberland?
Timberland mngani wami bali ode before sifike Nigeria
Balodevale la Timberland.
mngani wami leli angilibone ngesihlahla esigold ukuthi leli mangaliwasha lesihlahla siyakhula akekho so yeah kumele ujive fast bangabona ukuthi leli gold jive fast
Then udlule fast, ujive fast. Yonke into
Yonke into
yenzayo
fast. Ngiyangithola njoba ngikutshela ke macala afike masifika endlini untwana after cause sesayi market after senior yesterday music video saya ku market
Yeah.
ngitshela ukuthi Poisons I feel like now you're spending too much because the man masisusa kuma naira to ama rents it was 16,000 ngiyangithola mina yazi ngimoshe nganda
Indawo madunusa.
ngokumlando uyangithi uyangazi ngiyaphapha nje ngiyamba nakucha and leyo uthi bhayi yabona masaka lawa ayithula wapho umkhozi lawa ayithula uyadlala baba uthini kantweni
Wasijini nje kuphela.
uyangaza ngithi mina ngiphapha kwami hayi baba ngeke baba ayiphapha le gym le
Barake 85 rand.
asi 85 rand
Nokuyimalini.
arisusa ko dinaira to rents I think it's more 32 or something
Tu shot arrivé.
like because ngimthola khala izolo at age nakubatla ukhuhlela ekhaya hi kere why do you want to go back to SA because you only did 2 gigs and we still have because we had 15 we still have 13 gigs to come so why do you want to leave now yabo masuka eLagos eAbuja bekashuta abhiza enzani and mind you bekathuka uDJ wakhe the day before the next day ucela uDJ wakhe ukuthi ngicela uzongishuta uDJ fele like bekakwati I was like nah boy just go do it and then he went to do it some shama video yonke into ayimnandi yonke into sure njengoba khala lapha phethe Sprite the same day siceda ukulenda eAbuja njengoba phethe Sprite bekaphethe ukudla lapha phethe yonke into right yonke into so thina ukuze ashayele live le besihleli naye fede downstairs lapha ngase pool fede siblomile yonke into mina ngicabanga ukuthini ngo2 sinamagig ngicela ukuyorest at least ngizovuka ngo1 ngibamba asivayeni bafethu athi yena bafethu mina ngifuna ukushawa i-fresh air because sibonile ukuthi bekalwa past 2 days like I no flop is you can just do your own thing thina siyakhuphuka siyemakamereni mangifika ekamereni ama calls two shots ubonile Jima Shego wethanga hayibo mayithi ngiyacheck uyangithuka umuntu athi ngifuna ukuyomsacrifice yeah
Yeah, kwenzakale. Cause uboy athi wena uyamsacrifice, umsacrifice.
yeah leyo ifike kusho ukuthi ungitshele sekangitshela sekazohamba ukuthi wena no destroyer niyazi ukuthi niyenza yababa sharp
Destroy the DJ, his
Yeah.
DJ. Yeah.
and then sharp kwaba indaba zokuthini kwaba indaba zokuthi let me check something I think I have something here in my phone there's a picture that I sent to him
Picture yani manje la.
ngizokubonisa yisi isithombe simthuse kakhulu futhi leso
So wena usacrifice intwana mfana.
awu mfethu if bekuthiwa ngiyasacrifice ngabe ngidrive i-Porsche manje cabanga ngisa request i-Uber does it make sense to you
No, that
Bra.
doesn't.
nasi lesithombe yabo
Damn. I feel nami
Mafish le dog.
Mina I will I'd also say I'm sacrifice.
come and show you that's a picture
That might be like also be like, "Hi," exactly my point.
Nami ngasho, Shem, nami ngasho, because, guys, too short.
Yeah, why were you showing him that picture? Though?
Shuthi bekangixoxela ukuthi yena uthukile, ngithola like uthukile. Lama movie athanda ukwabukela because uthanda ukubukela ama movie aseNigeria. Akakwazi nokulala ewana nje. Akakwazi ukulala ewana because uyasaba like kulo muntu osabayo. Kusaseyintwana encane leya.
Unangaki to be, how old is he?
I'm not sure.
At this throw, not many years, Mashiro.
23.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's not that young.
So mina ukuze ngibone uDistro uyangilanda uyangitshela ukuthi mfana ungasendeli lo mfana into ezinje uyasuka kumanje uthukile. Ngithola. Ngathi bekathuswa ukuthi ubone umuntu ongana slave. Ikhona into enjalo. How mfethu? Ari he saw someone who doesn't have a cheek. I'm telling you.
Yeah, dog. Like I also saw that, dog. I should see it, man. Uthi ubona umuntu anganalento zona.
Leyo muntu loyo usisi ka Slim.
Ubani Slim?
Slim, she's part of the
Soul
Papi Entertainment. So the person is real. Yeah, she's real. Yeah, bro. No, it's not even a bad thing, dog. You know what happened to that lady?
What happened?
What happened to that lady? She got shots. And then they had to operations, none. And you understand when it gets back to Mr. Slim, how he feels about that thing. That's not a good thing, though. You can't do that. Because even this Katise market, bekathuka abantu. Yeah, Nuji. Awatshela ukuthi me I have money. Me I have, you can't tell me shit. Let's just to tell impahla eziningi mara ulwela discount.
What happened? So it's not true. You didn't try to sacrifice him. All these things that he went on the internet and said they were not true. What was true? What was not true? Did it actually? Did it ruin? Yeah. Did it ruin your career? Did it affect you here and there?
Yeah, it did, yo.
Please explain to us.
Did you say all those things that they said you said?
I know I have a big head, but I can't just say all of those things in one day, dog. Some of them, maybe we spoke up. Okay, not maybe, we spoke as gents.
Okay, we know it.
It's nothing too deep. It's nothing too deep. It's nothing